the recording. Today we did not start. Okay. So I want to see your beautiful faces and handsome faces, right? Cute faces. Adira is always having a smile. Catherine is having a smile. Pranav, Pratna, always smile. Joanne has a smile. Good. Aris, what's the status, Aris? Did you finish? Aris, please reply.
Ma'am, Aris has a network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, his video is off.
Yes, his video is off.
Ma'am, I finished.
I am asking Aris. Others all finished it long back. Okay, let's begin till the time Aris completes. Will share the answer wrong. Okay, how many of you all got 4 out of 4? Just hands up. Anybody got? Okay, anybody got less than 4? Please tell me. Less than 4. If you have any doubt with the answer question, tell Ponanami. What is her name? Anna, what is her name?
Ain Maria.
Ain, change your name. Please keep your original name because still I do not remember many of your names. I remember your faces, but names still I need to learn. Okay. So who got less? Anybody has any doubt with any? May I say how many marks did you get?
4.
4. I'm asking who got less than 4. Anybody? No, right? Okay. Niharika, how much you got?
3.
Which question went wrong, Niharika?
The first question.
Because first question was, I'll just check. We'll discuss the answers later on, okay?
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I also handed out in the first
Ma'am,
question. I got
yes,
correct.
ma'am. I also have the doubt in the first question, but I got right.
Okay, fine.
I don't have a doubt.
Okay. Listen to me. We will discuss. Listen. We will discuss the answers after learning. Okay, the new topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that everybody will finish the. See, until and unless everybody finishes the daily test, I'm not going to allow you to leave the class. Okay. Now, will you all tell me what is an abstract noun?
It is a feeling
or an idea or a quality.
Please answer. Raise your hands. I'll ask you. Raise your hand. I'll ask you. Shri Rugda.
Idea or a feeling of a person.
Okay. Tell Catherine something more.
An idea or quality of a person is called an abstract noun.
Yes, a feeling, a quality, or an idea is called an abstract noun. So we have learned in our last class what is an abstract noun in our previous classes. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So today we are going to learn how to change from adjective, verb, or noun. How to change from adjective, verb, noun to an abstract noun. Okay. So Hazel, can you give one example? Can you tell me abstract noun of happy?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Can you tell me the abstract noun of happy?
Sad.
Am I asking opposites over here? Amaya? Abstract noun of happy?
Happiness.
Yes. Aditya? Abstract noun of kind?
Kindness.
Kindness, yes. So like that, we have learned some abstract noun in underlining the abstract nouns or circling the abstract noun, yes or no? Bravery, wisdom, freedom, childhood, strength, yes or no? We have learned or not? Yeah, very good. So we have learned what is an abstract noun and what. Now I'll show you my screen. Sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have stomach pain. Can I leave the class?
Who? Your name?
UN.
Okay, you. But this is an important. You will listen to me. Listen to this topic on your video.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
This is an important topic. Give me 1 minute. Just a minute, okay? Oh, sorry. It got extremely sorry. One more minute, okay? Okay. Till that time, tell me some abstract nouns. Arush. Till it start, tell me some abstract noun you have marked in your, or you have understood in your last class.
Happiness,
Yes.
kindliness,
Kindliness, there's no abstract noun. It's kindness. Okay, two enough. Catherine, now can you tell me?
Bravery,
Yes.
sadness,
Very good. Arush, can you tell me? Okay, Achut. Achut, can you tell me? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me some example of abstract nouns?
Bravery.
That is already told. Some new examples.
Strongness.
Strongness, no. Strength.
Strength.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, last class, yesterday I have shared your PDF of collective noun. Have you all gone through it?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't write it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, you all only have to write the words. Do not draw anything. No need of drawing, okay? Drawing only, it is only for your explanation, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm ready for the seminar.
Okay, first let's learn, then we'll go for seminar, okay? So here we are going to change adjectives to abstract noun. We are going to form abstract noun from the adjective, okay? Here the happy, sad, kind, angry, brave, beautiful, long, high, honest, wise, with, wide, free. These all are the qualities, adjectives, okay, which we are going to make it into a feeling, an abstract noun, okay? So, what will the abstract noun of happy, Arush?
sad,
Arush, see the board. What is the abstract noun of happy?
happiness,
Happiness. Amaya, abstract noun of sad?
Sadness.
Pranav, abstract noun of kind?
Kindness.
Achut, angry? Achut, angry?
Angry.
Anger.
Anger.
Pratna, brave?
Bravery.
Mayasa, beautiful?
Beauty.
Beauty. Joyrick, long? Joyrick, long?
Length.
Length. Catherine, high?
height,
Atharva, honest?
Honesty.
Shri Rugda, wise?
Wisdom.
John, wide?
Width.
With. Vaishnav, free?
Freedom.
Okay. So you all have to write these words in your English grammar notebook. I'll be sharing it after the class. Then, this is like as I said, you have to change adjective to, this is your adjective to the abstract noun. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to add something or edit something. So we have edited. I'll give you one example here. Okay, now we have removed Y and added INESS. Yes or no? But here we just added. Yes or no? Here also we have removed RY and added ER. So like this, you have to add or delete some word letters or add some letters and change. Here the complete spelling is changed. Yes or no? So it is in abstract noun, you have to add or delete something, add and delete something. Okay. We'll go to the next slide. Verbs. So, Janvi, can you tell me what is a verb first? Tell me what is a verb.
Ma'am,
Yes. Do you know what is a verb? Who will yes, who will tell me what is a verb?
a verb is
A verb is an action word. Okay, a verb is an action word. That's it. Okay.
an action we do.
Yes, any action word. Okay, so here the verb is act, appear, laugh, speak, permit, think. Believe, die, grow, please, refuse, lose. So the abstract noun of act, Shri Rugda. Abstract noun of act,
Action.
Adidev. Abstract noun of appear.
Mummy,
Yes, Adidev MB.
appearance.
Niharika. Abstract noun of laugh.
Laughter.
Adidev MJ. Abstract noun of speak. Speech. Shri Bhadra. Abstract noun of permit.
Permission.
Dhananjay. Abstract noun of think.
Thought.
Anne Maria. Abstract noun of believe. Anne Maria. Anne Maria. Abstract noun of belief. Sorry, believe. Unmute. Yes, Anne Maria. Abstract noun of believe is what?
Belief.
Yes. Dvedika. Abstract noun of die.
Death.
That. Arjun. Abstract noun of grow.
Growth.
Yuven. Abstract noun of pleasure. Please. Hey, Yuven, you did not go.
No, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
It's okay.
Are you okay, Yuven?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any problem, you can leave the class. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any problem, you leave the class. You just tell me and leave. Okay.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
abstract noun, Yuven, if you can answer.
Sure.
Pleasure. Yes. Aditya Krishna. Abstract noun of refuse. Aditya Krishna.
Refusal.
Refusal. Advaita. Lose. Advaita.
Yes, ma'am.
Lose.
You.
Loss. Lose.
Lost.
Lose. Loss. Okay. So here we have changed the abstract nouns from the, like we have formed abstract nouns from the verbs. Okay. And this you have to write in your English grammar notebook, both the columns. Okay. And learn it. Not now, homework. Okay. Now abstract nouns will be created from nouns itself. From nouns itself. So if the abstract noun is child, Aditri, if the abstract noun is child, what will be the so if the noun is child, what will be the abstract noun of child?
Childhood.
Childhood. Arjun, if the abstract noun is friend, what will be the abstract noun?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
If the abstract noun is friend, what will be the abstract, sorry, if the noun is friend, I'm extremely sorry, if the noun is friend, what will be the abstract noun of friend?
Friendly.
Friendly, it is an adverb.
Friendship, ma'am.
Friendship, see the board. Shringa, abstract noun of leader.
Leadership.
Leadership. Ain Maria, are you there? Ain Maria, are you there?
Ma'am, in media or in media?
Ain, A-I-N. Adira, neighbor.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Ma'am.
Adira, tell the last one also.
Ma'am.
Scholar.
Scholarship.
Scholarship. This also you all have to write it. Okay, 1 minute. Let me stop share your screen. Okay, listen to me, everyone. Important instructions. You all have to complete your worksheet number 8 and 9. You all have to complete your worksheet number 8 and 9. Okay. Everybody knows your English grammar teacher, right? One more important instruction. Listen to me carefully. Next class is on Saturday, right? You all are starting with your exams on Saturday. So probably we might have a class test on Saturday, or else I will take some extra time on Friday and conduct your class test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I will inform in your WhatsApp group when is your class test. Be prepared for it, either on a Friday or on a Saturday. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Topic is
Okay, ma'am.
parts of sentences and nouns.
Okay, ma'am.
From worksheet 1 to worksheet 9. Okay?
MCQ, ma'am.
Yes, MCQ.
In homework, worksheet 9 and 8, we need to do.
Yes, you all have to do complete your worksheet 8 and 9. And whatever I have shared on your WhatsApp, you all have to complete everything. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
See, I'm sending the answers also to you all. Do you all check the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we
Yes,
will check the answers for the daily test which we had.
And Semina?
Wait. Because some got incorrect, right, for the daily test. That's why.
Ma'am, but we can see the answer. No.
Still, let me discuss at least so that if anybody has any doubt, then okay, we'll go quickly. Pick out the abstract noun in the first sentence. Which is abstract noun?
Strength.
Frank.
It is correct. Second one, pick out the material noun.
Plastic.
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 Third one, Mary had a lamb. Which is the
Mary.
Mary. Only Mary here. No lamb. Okay, only Mary. Because we are telling pick out the proper noun, not the normal noun.
Common noun.
Flower. Okay.
Flower.
So this is clear to everyone. This is also
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was having doubt on the first question. Now it's clear.
clear.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I first I put great, then I put strength.
Do not make silly mistake, please. Can I conduct the seminar? We'll start. Who is the one today going to perform?
Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Evelyn, start.
Evelyn and Achyut.
Aris Nihal, he did not perform.
I am not
today.
prepared.
Who is this? Niran, I gave chance to him. Niran will prepare after the exams. Niran, okay. What about Aris Nihal also? We have asked them.
No, ma'am, we have asked Achud.
Okay, wait 1 minute now. 1 minute, let me check my notes.
Ma'am, other one. Ma'am,
Niran,
other
okay.
was there, other.
No, it was not
That's
Apurva.
for math.
Yes, Niran was there, but Niran did not perform. Niran is not ready. 4A. Arush,
Ma'am, I'm not ready.
why Arush not ready? What about Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Listen, if you all are not performing and giving me an answer that I'm not ready, I'll mark you all 0. Okay. Niran has some important reason. That's why I gave him some chance. Next time onwards, now we will not have seminar till the time your exams are going on. After your exams, we'll start with seminar. Okay.
Okay.
Achyut, start.
Good afternoon, all. I'm Achyut here. So, today we are going to see a topic, proper and common noun. So now we can learn what is proper noun. Proper nouns are names of particular person, place, animal, or thing. It means names of people like Achyut, Arush and all. And names of animals like Honey, Chaffee and all. So, here are some examples for proper noun. Manu and Tanu. This is the name of particular person. This is particular person. And here is an example for place. It's a particular school and its name is Dr. Raju Davidson International School. It's a proper noun. And there's a cat here. Its name is Honey. It's a proper noun because its name is Honey. Cadbury Dairy Milk. It's a thing and it's a proper noun because its particular name is Cadbury Dairy Milk. Is anybody having a doubt on proper noun?
No.
Achut, you can ask some question also.
Ma'am, in the end it is so.
Okay.
So now we can learn what is common noun. Common nouns are words that stand for any person, place, animal, or thing in general or in common. It means, if we take example, country. There are many countries in the world. So it's a common noun. Here are some examples for common noun. Friends, garden, lion, and rain. There are many gardens in the wood, so it's a common noun. There are many lions in the wood. It's also a common noun. Now it's quiz time. Find the proper and common noun in the following. Vedika, can you tell the answer of first? Can you read the first question?
Yes. Jack and I will go to the Delhi Public Library together.
Can you tell where is the proper noun and common noun here?
Jack is proper noun.
Yes.
Common noun is I.
Okay, Achut, here now. Achut,
Yes, ma'am. I was also going to tell that.
Achut, listen. Here, Delhi Public School is what? What are you going to tell?
Ma'am, it's a proper noun.
Proper noun. Delhi Public Library. Sorry, Delhi Public Library is a proper noun. Okay. Even if it
Ma'am,
is
I
a
was going to tell there is no common noun here.
Okay, very good. Tell again.
Niharika, can you tell the answer of second question and read it?
Okay, Achut, first you explain the first one. I interrupted you in between. Sorry.
Ma'am, can you read? Jack and I will go to the Delhi Public Library together. Here, Jack is the proper noun and Delhi Public Library is also a proper noun. Niharika, can you tell the answer?
My neighbor is moving to Mumbai. My is common noun and Mumbai is proper noun.
No.
Explain, Achut. No problem. You explain.
Neighbor is common noun and Mumbai is proper noun.
Okay, thank you.
Now, Ameya, can you tell the answer of third question?
The boy was happy in the school. Boy is a common noun.
Yes.
The
Is there only one?
school is also a common noun.
Ameya, I can't hear your voice.
School is also a common noun and boy is also a common noun.
Okay. Now, Adar, can you tell the fourth question answer?
I had an ice cream in the car.
Can you tell the answer?
Ice cream is the common noun
Is there only one?
and car also a common noun.
Adiv, can you tell the fifth question?
Rohit played with his sister. Rohit is the proper noun. With his sister is the common noun.
Okay, very good. Here we wind up our class. I
Excellent,
think,
Achut. It was very good.
thank you all. I think you all understand the proper noun and common noun. Thank you.
Good revision, Achut. Achut, I want to tell you one more thing. Whenever you complete your sentence, put a full stop, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You make a habit, because in English, if you do not use full stops and commas, punctuation marks, you'll lose your marks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let me quickly take down your attendance. So now I will not give your names for seminar, right?
Excuse me, ma'am. Evelyn also said that she also was prepared for the seminar.
Evelyn, are you prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Evelyn, but can we do it on Saturday, please? Because we just have 2 minutes. Is that okay?
It's okay, ma'am.
Arush, try to prepare by Saturday. Arush,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, Saturday we'll check. Adidev MD is present, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Arush is present, Achyut is present, Aditri Sunil present, Adidev MJ. Adidev MJ, you were absent for 3 days. What happened? Aditya Krishna present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Advaita is there. Alex is there? No. Ameya is there. Anne Maria Binoy. Anne Maria Binoy.
Ma'am, present.
Arviz is there. Arjun is
Present,
there.
ma'am.
Atharva is there. Adira Nair is there. Ain Maria is there. Azad. Azad. Catherine is there. Evelyn. Hadi is there. Hale is there. Hazel is there. Janvi present. Joan is there. Mayasa is there. Niharika is there. Niran is there. Yes. Pranav. Prathana. Shri Bhadra. Shri Rugda.
Present,
Shringa.
ma'am.
Shringa.
Present, ma'am.
Sweden. Sweden Paul. Vaishnav is there. Sorry, Sweden is not there. Shringa is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sweden is not there. Vaishnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvin is also there. Dhananjay is there. So today I couldn't find, like Azad is absent and Sweden Paul is absent, right?
Ma'am, Anne Marie is present.
Did I tell Anne Maria is absent? I said, sorry, Azad and Sweden Paul. Thank you so much. Complete your work. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.